Creating a high converting landing page on WordPress is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can create a high converting landing page on WordPress. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you just have to be at your Google, and in the Google you have to search for WordPress. Now after searching for WordPress, you have to go to this website, which should be wordpress.com. In the wordpress.com, you simply have to log into your account. After logging into your account, you simply have to scroll down and click on this appearances and then themes. In the themes, you will be able to find different type of themes, which will include code landing pages. So you just have to select the right one according to you, and then you might need to buy it, or you might be able to activate the design without any problem. So what you have to do is you just have to activate this design. If I click on customize this design, now this is my landing page. I can adjust this according to you on my WordPress editor without any problem. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to create a high converting landing page on WordPress. Hope you guys find this video helpful.